Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I got the Caliber 357 Magnum clipper from Caliber. As you can see, man, it's another good product from Caliber. And yeah, let me tell you, if you're just a beginner barber or on a budget, man, I suggest you should get this clipper because it's only $39.99, and that's an amazing price. It's actually a very good price, and you just can't beat it, you know. So yeah, man, this is the package here. As you can see already, man, it looks good. This is the front. I like the 357 with the orange colorway here. Very nice. You go to the side, and you see the barber accent here, or the design here, barber design. And then you go here on the side, and it's also right here. And then go to the front. Again, you see the 357. And you go to the back. Here it says that the clipper runs for 4 hours of operation time. So, man, that's actually a very good, very good charging time. You know, I mean running time. And yeah, man, this is the box here. Again, I like the box. The package, very good looking, you know. So yeah, man, this is the charger here. As you can see, it's very basic looking actually, but you know, it gets the job done. Not much to it. This is the length. It always has some good length to it. Yeah, man, this is the charger. But yeah, so now, you know, you got the lids. This is the chrome one. As you can see, it's very cool looking actually. It's all chrome, and yeah, man, this is the chrome finished. And if you want like this, you could put this one on. Then you get the gold one, and this is actually my favorite one with the gray. It looks very nice. And yeah, I just don't know if you could remove this piece here. It seems kind of sealed tight. Like, I think you can, but you know, it feels like it's gonna break. So I don't know if you know how to do it. You know, let me know. Other than that, man, this is the gold one here. And then it also comes with its own premium guards. As you can see, they're all white. It's very, you know, very nice looking actually. Never seen something like this before. Yeah, man, the only issue I had with these though is you see here, it looks like it's unfinished. You know, it looks like they kind of messed up. Well, they did mess up on it, because when I put it on, like yeah, it's like like it feels like very loose, like it just rattles. So you know, it's not a very, you know, it's not a good, it's a good you know, guard. So I just don't use this one, but the rest, you know, fine. You know, yeah, those are the guards. And now you get the clipper. So this is the black and gold. Again, man, it's a very nice finish here with the matte. And I like these lines here. And actually this clipper looks way better in person, if you can believe that. And yeah, this is probably my favorite color of all of them. And you get to the back, you see the little design here, little grips design, and very cool. Actually, it's a nice touch, and it feels very good on the hand. You know, very lightweight. You know, you can move it around and stuff. And you see the lever. I actually think is very funny looking for some reason, like really cheap. But yeah, man, that's the lever. You could feel the click. Very nice clicks if you like the clicks. And yeah, that's the design of it. It's got the standard blade. Again, very cool looking clipper. And yeah, so let's get to the you know, the performance. So actually, you know, it's not a bad clipper. It's nothing that's gonna blow your mind away, but you know, it's a very good clipper. Not great, but you know, good. It gets the job done. You know, and it does some decent fades. You know, you could get some very good fades with this machine. You know, and yeah, it takes down bulk as well. Anything that, you know, a clipper could do, it does it. And yeah, it's just a very nice product. Can't go wrong with this for just $39. Man, that's very good. Well, now they're $39.99, and yeah, man, that's very good value for this clipper. But yeah, once you zero gap the blades, you get it cutting very smooth. You know, I haven't had no issues with it. But yeah, the only thing I had an issue with was the when it came when I first got it, one of the screws, I tried to unscrew it, and man, it was very sealed tight, so I had to use a drill. So yeah, that was very overwhelming. But after that, man, I had no issues with it. Everything was running smooth. And yeah, everybody likes to compare this to like the wall magic clip, but like they say it's like an updated version of that. And yeah, I guess it's true. You know, it's I feel like it's more like a updated designer wall, you know. But yeah, man, it's still a good clipper. Like for 4 hours of runtime, you know, you can't go wrong with that. You know, 4 hours is more than enough. Yeah, man, I want to show you a little sound test quick. So you can see that it's not bad. It's a rotary motor under there. You know, I actually like rotary motors for some reason. They feel, well, the new motors actually, it feels kind of yeah, it feels good. Like I don't feel like it's too loud or anything. You know, let me know. The lights here lights up. It looks very cool too. And yeah, man, that's the sound test there. And yeah, this is the clipper. What else can I say about the clipper? I mean, I think that's about it. You know, go get yourself a pair. You can't go wrong with these. $39.99. Man, that's a very good price. I guess they got like it says, I checked on the website, it has like a final sale. And yeah, I guess that's the final sale. You could get these for $39 now. So if you're a beginner barber, man, go get you a pair. You won't go wrong with these. Oh, and actually, I want to say one more thing. So when you remove the lids, I don't know, like if you check like on the website, it says that you have to I don't know, they made it real hard for you to remove it for some reason. So like once, just like the screw here, and once you have it up to the top, there's like another screw here, but there's no way you could reach, like, there, I don't know, there's not a way you could reach to the screw. So you may have to just break the plastic a little bit, and yeah, you just have to break it. That's what it says on the website. So yeah, man, you could just pull it out and kind of just break it a little. And yeah, man, just be careful when you do it. But yeah, and yeah, man, once you just put it back on, you just have to wait until, you know, you hear that click, and yeah, you'll be fine, man. You'll be great. And yeah, after that, you know, yeah, that's about it, man. Yeah, so hope you liked the video, and I'll see you on the next one.